So the given problem is find the value of V0 of the circuit using a superposition theorem. So this is a given circuit. For this given circuit, you can see in addition to the DC source, voltage source, we have AC voltage source and AC current source. Because why I am termed as AC means you have a frequency, right? The frequency values here, the omega value is 5, and here the omega value is 2. So first let me consider only DC source is present. Okay, there is 5 volt is present. So if 5 volt is present means the current source and the voltage source must be 0. So if it has to be 0 means and you can see the capacitor must be, so if 5 volt DC is present means that AC voltage and the current source has to be 0. Okay, and since it is a DC, capacitor must be open circuit and inductor must be short circuited. Okay, so I'm going to redraw the circuit. So if I redraw, this is 1 ohm, a 4 ohms, and this is 5 volt. This is how the circuit does. Okay, so here they have given we need to find the voltage across this V0. So this is short circuit, this is open circuit, this is close short circuited, and this is open circuit. Okay, so what is the voltage across this 1 ohm means that is V0. Okay, so V0 minus V0 is equal to 5 into applying the voltage divided rule, divide by 5, right? 4 plus 1 is 5 total resistance, so that is equal to 1 volt. So V0 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so second I'm going to consider AC voltage source. AC voltage source only present. That is its value is 10 cos 2t. So here the omega value is 2. So if omega value is 2 means what is the value of XC? XC is equal to 1 divided by omega C. So I substitute the value 1 divided by 2 into what is the value of C? C is 0.1. Okay, so 2 into 0.1. So that is 5. Okay, so I can write the capacitance as XC is equal to 5. Okay, and XL, what is XL? XL is equal to, this is something minus J XC. Usually they have written as minus J XC. Okay, and this is J XL. So J into omega L. What is J? J is omega is 2, and what is the value of L? L is 2. Okay, so it is 4J. So I can draw it as this is 4J. Okay, and the current source is open circuited, and this is 1 ohm, right? Next, capacitor value is minus 5J. and this is 4, and this is short circuited, right? And this voltage source 10 cos 2t, I can write it as 10 is a magnitude value, and since it is cos value, and I am not having any phase, so the phase value is 0, so I can write 10. So I can see this 4 and j omega is in parallel, so I can write 4 of j minus 5j, that is equal to minus 20j divided by 4 minus 5j. Okay, so this I can write it as if I solve, I will get 2.439 minus j 1.951. Okay. So now I can draw it like this. This is plus minus 10. This is 4j 1, and this is nothing but 2.439 minus j 1.951. Okay, so if I want to find the voltage across this 1 volt, I can apply the voltage divider rule. So V0 is equal to total voltage is 10 into the this resistance divide by 1 plus 4j plus 2.439 minus j 1.951. So if I solve, I will get the answer as 10 divided by this one is 3.439 plus j 2.049. So if I solve, I will get 2.498 angle of minus 30.79. Okay. So next one is if AC current source is present, and its value is given as 2 sin phi t. So here omega is equal to 5. So what is minus jxc? Minus jxc is minus j divided by omega c. So minus j divided by 5 into 0.1, that is equal to minus j2. Likewise jxl. Jxl equal to j omega l, that is equal to j5 into 2, that is 10j. Okay, so this I can write this is 2 of minus 90 degree. Okay, so I can read the circuit pole. This is short circuit since it is AC, and instead of inductance I can write as J10, and you have 1 ohm, and you have this current source and the value is 2 of minus 90 degree. And next you have a capacitor. The capacitor value is minus J2, and you have 4 ohm resistor, and this is the short circuit, right? So you can see this 4 ohm and J2 is in parallel. So what is 4 ohm of J2? This is nothing but 4 into minus J2 divided by 4 minus J2. So the answer is 0.8 minus 1.6 J. Okay. So now I can replace this entire circuit. Like this is 0.8, and this is a capacitor, right? So it is minus J 1.6. So this current is divided across this one and this one, right? So I can apply the current divider rule. So if I apply the current divider rule, so let me term this one as I2. Okay, so I2 is equal to total current is 2 into minus 90 degree into opposite resistance. Opposite resistance is J10 divided by J10 plus 1 ohm plus 0.8 minus J 1.6. So 2 of this is minus J only. Okay, and this is 10J divided by 1.8 minus plus 8.4J, right? So if I solve, I will get 2 point okay, let me take this minus 20 J square, right? Divide by 1.8 plus 8.4J. So I need to find the value of voltage across this 1 ohm. So V0 is equal to I2 into 1. So this is a value. So I will get so this J square is minus value. So 20 divided by this value. So that is nothing but 2.328 and this minus 80. So this I can write it as 2.33 cos this is 5t, right? So 5t minus 80 degree. So this I can write as 2.33 sine of 5t minus 80 degree plus 90 degree. Okay, so this is having the 2.33 sine 5t plus 10 degree. Okay, so what is the overall value? Overall value of V naught t is nothing but 2.33 sine 5t plus 10 degree. Next one is this one, right? So just I can write it as 2.498 cos of as it shows cos of 2t, right? Cos of 2t minus 30.79 degree, right? And this one is minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 plus 2.498 cos of 2t minus 30.79 degree.